Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a mermaid kind of inspired design using the new royalty polishes from Holo. I'm really excited about this. Yeah, let's get into it. Okay, the first thing I did was I applied Peely base to all of the nails, and then I'm going to go in with 2 coats of not milky white. Okay, as you can see, I got a little bit on my nail, a little bit of the liquid latex on my nail, but I've got it separated from the rest of it, which is why you can see that it's wet because I had to fix it. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to take a sponge that I've already used previously. I will link the video that belongs to this gradient up in the cards in case you would like to see it. And I'm just taking my scissors and going below where the gradient is. I'm just cutting that off. And then what we're going to do, move these out of the way so I don't drop them. I'm going to get all of my polishes opened to the side. And the polishes, I think I mentioned that we were using the royalty collection. This is Inside Job, the purple. And then we also have Spyglass, Blush Money, and also Teal No Lies. I'm going to be placing these on the sponge and then rotating the sponge so that each nail, well, 2 of them will be the same, but each nail will have a different color layout. And if that was not very well explained and confusing, you'll see when we get there. So now that I've got all of these open, I'm going to take my sponge and going to try to stay towards the middle of the sponge just because I know my nail is not as wide as the whole thing. I'm going to put the 2 darker colors in opposing corners. And then the 2 lighter colors in opposing corners. Just so it's a little bit more balanced. And these are not perfect, but they'll work. And so we're just going to take that and sponge it onto the nail. And this is going to take several coats. As you can see, the most opaque one is Teal No Lies. This is going to take a couple of coats, and that's fun. Get to where you can see. Okay, and then I'm going to give that some time to dry and then move on to the next one. And then for the next nail, I'm just going to turn the sponge to where it's just slightly different on the nail. Okay, cleanup on this took a lot longer than I thought it would, but it's fine. And I know it looks a little messy, but that's okay. A good stamp and top coat, and it'll smooth it out. There's a lot of different textures and finishes, and it's just a lot. But the next thing we're going to do is this. We're going to put a stamp on it, and this is the Miniology and TwiStar BMXL 211 plate, and it's just a whole bunch of really cool mermaid things. Yeah, it's really cute. We're going to be using this stamp right here, and for the polish we're going to be using Miniology Freedom Ring. It's a stamping polish. And then I've just got my scraper and stamper off to the side. Ooh, dropped it. So I don't need a whole lot of this stamp because my nails are shorter now. But we're going to make sure that we've got plenty just so we don't have to redo a stamp because we don't have enough. So I'm going to scrape, stamp, and I should have grabbed my liquid latex again. I will do that after the stamp. And there you go. I'm going to clean this one up real quick and then apply liquid latex. I will do that off camera. Then we'll be back to do the rest of the stamps. Okay, now that all the nails are done, I gave it a little bit of time to dry. Just because I didn't want to disrupt this stamping. I wanted to make sure the stamping was completely dry. So I gave it a little bit of time to dry, and now we're going to be using Glossy Taco from Holo Taco. Okay, and here is the finished design. I hope you love them as much as I do. I'm going to do another layer of top coat before I take final pictures. The final pictures is what you always see at the end of the video. Yeah, I really love these. They're nice. I like them a lot. Focus. 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 There we go. Yeah. I like the different textures behind the stamp. It looks really cool. But yeah, another layer of top coat. Let's smooth it out just a little bit more just because inside job is a glitter polish, so it's a little bit chunkier than the other three. But yeah, I love these. Well, that's going to be the end of this video. If you liked this design and want to see more designs from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Turn on the bell notifications so you get the notifications. As simple as that. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.